Hey, I'm Anthony Aguilar from CalisthenicsCulture, aka Cali Cult, and today we are doing a 5-minute core workout at a waterfall. This workout consists of 5 exercises for 2 rounds. You can do this anywhere, at any time, with anyone. All right, let's get it. All right, so the first exercise is gonna be coffin wake-ups. I'm gonna lay down in 3, 2, 1. You want to keep your legs on the ground, keep your hands and your elbows touching your body, and sit up. 3, 2, 1. Rest for 10 seconds. The next exercise will be Russian twists. Get your legs up. In 3, 2, 1. You want to keep your legs up, twist, turn to each corner, really focus on twisting as much as you can, and rest. 10 seconds. Next exercise is going to be compressions. So you're going to sit up straight, put your arms forward, and lift your legs up as high as they can go. Really compress your core. And 3, 2, 1, rest. 10 seconds. Next exercise will be bicycle kicks for 20 seconds. Lay down on your back and get your elbow to opposite knee. Do this slow and controlled, pausing with every kick. 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, last exercise of this round, we're doing low plank. Get down on your elbows and hold this for 20 seconds. Really want to focus on keeping your core tight, your body straight. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your quads. Just be as perfectly straight as possible. Remember to breathe. And 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, that's the first round. Now we're getting back to coffin wake up. So lay down. And 3, 2, 1, begin. If it's getting too difficult, you can use your elbows to give you a little boost. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next, we're going into Russian twists. Just pick your legs up and twist. You need to take a break. Do so, but try to fight through it. And rest. 10 seconds. The last few exercises. Next is compression. 3, 2, 1. Breathe through it. If you need to lean back a little bit to make it easier, you can do so. And rest in 3, 2, 1, rest. 2 more exercises. Now we're going into bicycle kicks. Lay down on your back. Come on. And kick. Breathe in and out with every switch. I know it burns. Push through. Last exercise. 3, 2, 1, and rest. The last one, just hold it. Low plank for 20 seconds. On your elbows, up. Use this to cool down. Focus on keeping your core tight. All right, we're almost done. 3, 2, 1, and finished. Great job. I'm proud of you for completing this workout. If you still want more, you can run this routine back or move on to another one. We truly appreciate you being here, and we'll do our best to respond to all the feedback. To join the cult, subscribe, and go to CaliCult.co to get your Cali Cult merch. All right, peace.